Hello again, this is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. Here we have a 2025 Peterbilt 589 in legendary blue with the Seminole paint scheme. It's a 280-inch wheelbase. Got 40,000 pound air ride, 336 gears. 11R 24/5 drives. It's got air disc brakes. Powered by a 565 horsepower, 1850 torque Cummins engine. Let's look inside. Platinum interior, ultra leather seats, 13-speed manual transmission. Some extra gauges, satellite radio, 80-inch sleeper, double bunk. Some overhead storage up there. Storage cabinet down below. Another upper storage cabinet. A 1.8 cubic foot refrigerator down here. Cobra CD radio. Let's see what we got under here. There is our power plant. 565 horse Cummins X15, 1850 torque. Or perhaps you would prefer a different color. We also have the exact same truck in legendary purple. So give me a call, 706-372-4698, and let's see if we can put you into one of these trucks. If these aren't what you're looking for, give me a call anyways. We may have it.